Namaste. My name is Vujicic. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak why we can't get that. So we hear from the motivational speaker that we can get everything, that only our ego stops us. And they're making a fortune to tell us such lies. I said lies. No. We depend on much more. We get only what we want when we do all the things that are necessary to get the things. Makes sense, no? But this is not enough. If all our things are in line and in favor to us, this means the circumstances should be in favor to us. If there is a world war, for sure we cannot get much things. Oh? If our negative suppressed feelings, and that has everybody, are not sabotaging our outcome. And the fourth point is if God or the divine want that we get that. So this is a lot. No? Not only from our marketing also. Even we make the best marketing, if somebody is making better marketing, we are out of the race, for instance. So I want to give you an example. There is on YouTube Nick, no arms, no legs, and no voice. So he has no arms, no legs, no voice, and he got everything what he wanted. Contradicting me? No, not. So he grew up in a normal family. They were not rich, but very lovely, and he had no arms and no legs. And so his family sacrificed their energy and money to bring him up. Still, Nick was very unhappy with his condition and wanted to make suicide with 14 years. And then his parents told him, you can complain or you can be thankful. That is your choice. And afterwards, he tried to make motivational speeches. And he was quite successful in that. And all the money what he earned through the motivational speeches, he had donated to the poor people. But even better. Okay. So he made a fortune as a real estate manager or real estate agent. No? So he wanted to marry and he wanted to have kids. Guess he has all. He is rich, he has his kids, he has his firm, now he is producing things for disabled people and so on. So, and first he never thought on God, and he said there is no God because I don't have my legs and arms. Makes sense, huh? But he became a stout Christian. So, and now compare his situation with your situation. Have you sacrificed and donated so much to the poor people than Nick? For instance, you have to attract the right circumstances. What is inside is outside. And if you don't attract the right things, it's very hard to become successful. We depend on so much invisible things. If we can have an accident, we can have so many things. 3 days ago, I heard that my previous girlfriend has cancer in the third state, for instance. Yes, I was shocked. So we try everything. But we have also to address why she got that. What she had done that she got that. And so that she has first to change her life. And then she can be healed, not before. And this is also true for to be successful. What is inside is outside. It's just so simple. No? So people want to forecast everything, and I have studied such things as Kubernetes and so on. The science wanted to make a mathematical model to forecast the weather. And then they rounded up one parameter of the forecast on the 12 digits before the point. No? And then the forecast changed totally. And then they said, they called it as a butterfly effect. This means a butterfly can change the weather in a time frame of 3 months. You hear it right. So when we cannot forecast the weather, how we can forecast your success? You cannot see all the things. What are involved for your success? Okay. But do the same thing like Nick, be a stout Christian and do good for other people, you attract the better things for your life. Thank you that I could speak about that, and bye.